What's up, guys? Yeah, I know, a long-form video. Super shocking. Yeah, this video is going to be taken in one take. I'm planning on playing some games today, on my phone, because I'm bored out of my mind, have nothing else to do. So, hey, why not play an Endless Runner game? Of course, I'm talking about Subway Surfers. And, I'm so fired at this game. As you can see, almost 600,000 score thing. Alright, let's go. But it's probably a bad idea to, go start playing this whilst I'm wearing a mask, because I can barely see at this. Yeah, so pretty dumb of me. And my goal is to get 100,000, which it seems pretty easy. Watch me get like 20,000. I feel like if I got 20,000 would just be embarrassing. Alright, so anyways. Yeah, so I'm going to try to make more long-form videos, because I want more of my long-form videos to get a decent amount of views, saying how my shorter videos mostly get more views. It's fine. My shorter form videos, of course, don't get as much. My shorter form videos get more views than my long form videos. I'm gonna break my phone in half, guys. Oh, look at this game. Ooh. That was exactly dot to dot, bar to bar, frame to frame on what I exactly said. Let's see my results. High five. Fine. I am bronze. How am I placed? I'm placed bronze. I bet you I could probably get, I bet you I could do decently. Alright, so the reason why I'm making more long-form videos is because my shorter-form videos get most of my views. Meanwhile, my longer-form videos aren't getting that much views. My most viewed long-form video has around, I think, 74 views. It's of me doing a Hitman speedrun on a cool map that I like playing. But I'm probably never going to play Hitman again. It stopped working for me for some reason. So yeah, it was a map that I was super good at. And thought, why not make a speedrun on it? And got second worst. So let's just say, yeah, I want to get more views on my longer form videos. So yeah. Or what, am I going to become a reaction channel? Nah, I'm not a reaction channel. I would like to call myself a variety channel, if you guys are wondering. I don't really stick to one thing of content. I'll talk about my music. I'll do speedrunning. What else do I do? I could make a tier list. Tier list on SpongeBob characters, maybe? That sounds like a cool idea. Hey, tell me if you guys want that. Get this video to a like. Alright, anyways. Oh, let me just, This is gonna be easy. Dang, I could have done a better video instead of playing Subway Surfers. Like, playing a GTA knockoff until I get an ad, that'd probably take, a second. I literally got... Alright, watch me go crazy. What's the lowest score I could possibly get? Okay, yeah. So I call myself a variety content channel. I'll make multiple different videos. But if you guys want to see me do a tier list, give the video to a singular like. And then I will know, hey, maybe I should do that. I'm done. This is my 3rd time dying.